Good afternoon to everyone. I have immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome at this gathering on the occasion of the 6th convocation of the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Today we are extremely happy to welcome our visitor, Sri Satyapal Manik sir, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, who have accepted our invitation to preside over the 6th convocation of USTA. I also welcome Professor D.K. Singh, Honorable Chairman, University Grant Commission, who will be joining online. Professor Sri S.K. Srivastava sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Northeastern University, Shillong. Our own esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor D.K. Sharma sir. Other dignitaries sitting on the dais, across the dais, Member of Board of Governors, Member of Academic Council, Deans, HODs, faculty members, parents, students and media friends. All of you have graciously consented to be with us in spite of your commitments and priorities. I am sure your presence will inspire our outgoing students, teaching community and management of the university. We look forward to your support and guidance to move forward in excellence. A hearty welcome to Padma Shri Patricia Modi, Editor Sri Lanka, who is the recipient of honorary degree of doctorate today, for her immense contribution in the field of media, giving not only legitimacy to the people's voice, but also for the most sensitive, thoughtful, and ethical reporting on issues plaguing Meghalaya and the Northeast. A special welcome to Professor Sanjay Deshmukh, former Vice Chancellor of University of Mumbai and Professor of Life Science at University, who is the recipient of Doctor of Science, for his immense contribution in the field of academic administration, promotion of science and technology, especially analyzing problems arising out of loss of biodiversity. I am personally very happy to welcome all our 1,332 students who will be receiving their final degrees from the university. My special welcome to all the toppers who will be receiving gold medals and 10 scholars who will be receiving their PhD degree today. Empowering education, empowering society is our philosophy. And with this we started our journey in the year 2001 with 1 computer and 4 students. After lots of struggle and teamwork in last 9 years of journey, UST emerged as one of the biggest self-financed university in this region. We express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for enacting the legislation in 2008, paving the way for the foundation of the University of Science and Technology, and which has been finally started in the year 2011. I must recall the contribution of our beloved late P.S. Sangma and late Dr. Don Cooper Rod, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who was instrumental in getting the enactment from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. We want to fulfill the expectation of the government of Meghalaya and trying to make it a global destination of teaching, learning and research. We have charted out a roadmap to make the USTA one of the top universities in the country by 2025 and one of the world-class university by 2030. We have understanding that this mission can be fulfilled if students and faculty can excel in their commitment. To do the same, we always follow the footsteps of world-class institution of excellence of our country, and for this, we have signed many MOUs, nearly 85 MOUs we have signed, and most of the Northeastern University, including IIT Guwahati, and the national level Central University like Jamia Millia, JNU, Aligarh Muslim University, and many such kind of universities, and they are extending their support for various activities in promotion of science and technology. We are fortunate that 2025 retired vice chancellors of different universities of Northeast are always guiding our university in pursuit of excellence. Luminaries from academic and administrative world have been attracted by our university. Vice chancellors of most of the advanced parent policies. The students who will be qualifying any competitive examination, especially NET and civil service, will pay the entire fees. And just before 1 week, the NET examination was declared. Our 24 students from the university from social science, they have cracked the NET examination and including JS. And according to our commitment, we will be paying their entire fees. The university provides free and concessional education to meritorious students below poverty line. At present, more than 800 students are pursuing the world and continue to learn till the last day. I am hopeful that degrees conferred upon you by your university will step into the real world, by which you will try to earn name and fame, and with this glory, you can keep the flag of the university flying all over the world. Lastly, few quoted statements for our students from where I personally got the courage and inspiration. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, all birds find shelter during rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. He also quoted, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Lastly, I thank Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Chairman UGC Professor D.P. Singh, all Vice Chancellors, all members of different statutory bodies, Registrar, Academic Registrar, Controller of Examination and its team, faculty members and officers, administrative and operational staff for their continuous honest performance to achieve present status of USTM. More dedication is highly solicited. I welcome you all once again and request everyone present here to join hands, continue your support, bless and guide us to fulfill Mission USTM and to make USTM a destination of global teaching and learning community in this part of the country, and to make the university a people's university of global standard and to contribute in nation building process. Thank you. Jai Hind.